Hey guys, it's me, Simone. I wanted to come up here real quick and do this video and talk to y'all about my swap. Hopefully I can squeeze this out before my camera dies. Who knows? But I've been really bad at showing you my outgoing swaps. My desk is a mess because I'm working right now, crafting. Do I have enough of these to do? I just saw these. I wanted to use these. But I'm doing an outgoing swap. Oh yes, I do have enough of these. Great, I'm gonna use these instead. Cool. Alright, sorry. I had to do that. I'm doing outgoing swap with these where I am participating in a circle of friends journal. And basically we had to make one journal page. It had to have 3 pockets, and then it had to have 1 flip out, and all 4 pages, 4 sides must be decorated. It had to be at least 8. It had to be 8 by 10 folded in half. So each page is it's 8 by 5. There you go. So that's pretty much it. And then she wanted everything to be as flat as possible because it's going to be put in a journal and she's going to sew it together. Oh look, this is some thick paper, so we'll see how flat this thing is going to be. So the first thing is I did a shaker pocket. This is just some tulle, if y'all can see that. Let's see, I'll move out the way a little bit. It's kind of bright, but it's just some tulle that I have in my stash. And then I added some sequins, a little sequin mix I made. I spilled some of them, so sad, but it's a little sequin mix. I have some matte sequins from AliExpress, some hearts, yeah, that I used. I didn't add much. I kind of wish I had more, but I was kind of scared. And then I layered it with some wood paper. I've had this massage for a while. I don't know what it is. I die cut this Friends and backed it with on some gold shimmer paper. It's technically not really gold, but if you like, it looks silver until you move it, and then it has a gold backing or a gold look to it, if it makes any sense. The cover, I just cut out these butterflies from some paper I had in my stash. I'm pretty sure this is Maggie Holmes paper. That's what it looks like. I just cut the flowers. I had the butterflies out and everything, and then we're going to do the thing. So I had to have 3 pockets. So I have a pocket here, I have a pocket here, and this is my flap. And then I have a pocket here, and this is just this is the Spellbinders die from my stash that I got during that warehouse sale, which they're doing again. And I just cut out some paper. Most papers from my stash. There's some Michael's paper in here, there's some Maggie Holmes paper in here, there's some Dear Lizzie paper. Like, it's just a lot of paper. I can't go through and tell you everything. I organize the paper by color, not collections. I kind of want to add a little small envelope here, and maybe add in a sequin mix, but we'll see if I do that or not. I might just add a little like tag or something here and decorate that way, or some die cut I might have in my stash. On the back here, I have this little belly band here with some sugar paper, and this is a Sizzix opulent paper that I have in my stash. It's really cute. Another thing I need to do is add a paper clip. That's what I was looking at earlier, trying to find these, and then put on my desk. These are from AliExpress. I have enough to add these. I'm still kind of trying to figure out what I want to do with this. Part of me is leaning toward doing a bow, like a pleather bow on here, but we'll see what I do. And I want to add, this is a big Spellbinders die I have, and I want to add this at the back and just cut it out some like white or cream paper, ink it. Everything's been inked because we kind of went for a vintage vibe. And I kind of went like dip half of it or cover half of it in like embossing powder, not half of it, but like at an angle, almost like a dip looked like it got dipped into embossing powder. But we'll see if I do that or not. We'll see. I might not, or I might do it with foil and run it through my laminator. I don't know. So that's what I've done. This was interesting. I'm in this process now that I have other things I want to work on and project I want to do, and I'm just kind of getting to the point where I want to be done so I can work on other projects. But this needs to be shipped out first, obviously, so I need to work on it first. So that's what the point I'm at. I've been having some massive creative block on this one, trying to figure out like what to do in the front of the page. I had no idea. I was so confused. Luckily I thought about this, but I was running into like so many blanks. I had pretty much everything else thought of and made out before I even had the cover or my first page made out. So that was kind of frustrating. But that's really about it. And then I'm just gonna add the paper clip to like the back of here. I might do it like in this tag here. I don't know what I'm gonna put the paper clip for. I might put it like right here. Or, I mean, if I do a bow, it's gonna have to go up on top because it's gonna be too thick. So we'll see what I do. But that's really it. I think it turned out really cute. There's a sequence. I think it turned out really cute, and I just did 7 pages. They're all about basically the same. Just the fronts look a little different because I didn't use the same butterflies. Oh, in the inside, I use different kind of like layering here on this side. So it's different variations because I didn't have all the same cut apart tags to use to make a pocket. So we did different things here. And one of them is a different direction. Okay. And then the insides are, you see, are not all the same pattern because I think I used like 3 or 4 different patterns because I didn't have enough of one paper to use, but it's fine. Variation is the spice of life, right? So obviously my favorite paper is definitely the butterflies. My favorite. I love butterflies. Well, it's not my, it's one of my favorites, and I have this one here that I like too. This is a Maggie Holmes paper, I know that for sure. And then, oh, this one, I love this one. So we'll see. As I said before, I think I said it, one of these papers is going to be mine because she's going to make a journal for some of us in the group. She's going to make the journal and then she'll send it back to us. So I'll eventually get one of my pages back and I'll show you all that page. I'm excited, and then kind of like wondering what page it's going to be because there's some pages in here that I like, but like maybe how I oriented them is not my favorite. It still looks cute, but they're not my favorite page. So I wonder if I want to get back my favorite page, or am I going to get back like a page I'm not the biggest fan of. Like, I like it, it's cute, but it's not the biggest fan. But I'm ready to be done. I'm still ready to be done. Luckily, all I need to do now is add the tags, because it has to have 2 tags. Add a little spot for my information, and then cut this out and decide if I'm going to do embossing or if I'm going to do like foiling instead. Who knows? And that is it. Oh yeah, I was sorry, in the paper clip. The paper clip is next. So I forget that. And I'm going to try my best to ship it tomorrow. It's due like Saturday. So we'll see. And then I gotta think about how I'm supposed to package it, because technically she needs to take them all out to put them in a journal. So I think I'm just gonna like stack them on top of each other. Like that's gonna spin more sequin mix. See? Spilling my sequin mix. I think I'm gonna stack them on top of each other like this, and then like wrap them in like a bag that I make and have them like that, so they're still in a nice presentable manner and they're a little safer. See, look, I keep doing it. I'm gonna have to like lose all that sequence that I made work so hard for. Out of this, I'm gonna go through and clean my desk off because it's a mess. I haven't cleaned it since, I don't know. I need to go through my whole room and clean it, to be honest with you. But oh, we'll see how that goes. Yeah, I'm not gonna get my hopes up for that, to be honest with y'all. I'll do bit by bit. Yeah, okay. But this is it. That's all. Hey guys, it's me, Simone. I wanted to show y'all my finished project for my circle of friends journal swap. I'll keep it simple, quick. I might see a abrupt pause because my camera might shut off because I still haven't charged it. So I showed y'all basically what I've done so far. I have the sequence here, a friend's die cut from AliExpress. I cut out some butterflies on here. I added the tags. These are some die cut apart sheets that I added in here. Each one has different ones. I added on the paper clip. We're supposed to do an embellished paper clip. And this is mine. So it has some beautiful like eyelash trim I got from Dollar Tree. So I just kind of did a really rough bow on here. This thing looks really cute. Some are bigger than others. I wish I made this one a little bigger. And then this is the tag I told you I was going to make with the Spellbinders die I showed y'all earlier. And then I embossed some cardstock. This is some pink cardstock here. Can I see that? I embossed it with this embossing folder from Intricate Backgrounds. This is a Contoured Creations C'est La Vie. So that's what I did, and everything's pretty much done. And I put my name, actually put my IG right here, and I'm done. I'm completely done with this. I'm excited. I think it looks super cute from the front, and little that just looks so cute to me. I'm so happy. So now I'm going to just wrap this in some bubble wrap. I might wrap it in some wrapping paper and put it in a little box, and I'm gonna ship it off and message the host that I have sent it to her, and I will talk to y'all later. So I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you want to see me do a tutorial on how I made this, I can show y'all, but I kind of just went really quick because I was kind of on a deadline. And on top of that, I had so many ideas. Look, I didn't even do all of these I wanted to do because I was running out of time and I wanted to ship this on time. Okay, I've been known to be like the last 3 people to send the thing. Like, I sent everything on the deadline, so I wanted to be a little faster this time because I actually wanted to include this pocket in here. It's too wide, but maybe I can cut the edges. I wanted to include this. It's from AliExpress, but it's fine. I like it. I think it looks really cute. I might look and see if I have another tag die that I could tag. I have some tag die cuts. I might see if I want to add those in here, but besides that, if I don't, they won't be added. And now I'm going to be done. So I will talk to y'all later. You have a great day. Get crafty, and I hope y'all enjoy this. And then I will be back in another video to show you the finished journal and all my partners and other girls in groups, what they made in their pages. I'm super excited. I already saw the cover page. It's really cute, and I'm trying to make sure I matched her theme going on with a little bit of vintage edge because everything's been inked with brown. Oh, I didn't mention this, but I went and inked. When I embossed it, I inked it with some Nouveau embellishment mousse to give it a nice gold shimmer. I think that's really cute. So that's it. Oh, and the big old paper clips are from AliExpress. I actually need to go buy more. I just use all of them up. Nothing else to add. I think I'm pondering adding something right here to my fob, but I don't know if I'm going to. That's it. So I'm going to package this all up, clean off my desk because it's a hot mess. It's been a hot mess since I've been making these videos because I'm in the process of crafting. And I'm going to run off to the mail office and send off my package. So I hope you have a great day and everything, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.